Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can check your competitors, what they are doing and how your Google Ads campaign is performing against your competition. You will also learn how to see who are your real competitors. And let me just show you how it works. So we will find out about your competition based on the keywords that you are competing on. So what you have to do when you're running your Google Ads campaign, you have to go to your campaigns, scroll down to this section and go to search keywords. Let's say, for example, we want to check this specific keyword, Sheds Toowoomba. So we want to find out who is competing with us for this keyword, right? So we select this keyword and we click on this button that's called Auction Insights, right? So we click on Auction Insights and you can select the data frame range from any time, right? Let's put last 30 days. Now in the past 30 days, these are the results for these specific terms, for this specific keyword, Sheds Toowoomba. I know for our business, Sheds Toowoomba is the top keyword that producing clicks, producing inquiries, producing sales. So we want to really know who is competing with us for this term. And we can see that our impression share for this keyword is 71%. So we're on top of everybody else. We're on top of the competition for this specific keyword in this specific time frame. Now the next one in line is Stockman Sheds, Dependable Sheds, Rent Build, and you can see the percentage of the impression share. So if you want to learn more about impression share, what it is, you can just hover your mouse over this wording and you can see exactly what it is. But in a simple terms, it's if your percentage of the impression share is higher, it means that your ad is showing up more for this keyword than anybody else. And this is really what you want to have for the competitive keyword. So if you know that the keyword is good, that produces the inquiries, produces sales, you want to be on top of the impression share percentage ranking, right? And this is also gives you really good information who is with you in terms of the competition. And why it's useful, because first of all, you can visit all this website and see what they're offering, if there are any special offers, etc. So you can adjust your wording on your website or maybe create some sort of an offers. But very, very helpful to understand where you ranked with your competition. Hope this video is helpful. Let me know of any questions. As usual, if you want us to have a look at your Google Ads campaign, if you want us to run your Google Ads campaign, feel free to contact me. My name is Max from Online Prospects, and I'm more than happy to talk to you and help out if I can. Thank you.